so. Some cars, some shall come to that. Probably treat the mutter cry a day back. And now for a field pier. Oh my God, and you know how much president, Nabekage, ministers, new to four, I am for to Palapala, a lawyer for, proceed for, parliamentarians, GFA, and your mom woman on Nina, Blasters, Mamusropia, yes, Ropia, Blasters, Underdogs, 4 times Africa champions, Germany, Yaliaka, so.
Adom 106.3 Yensrobia and the Moya de Beshe. Said it, Sabia.
Omoya de what's Omoya
de
Nana, no, yet there, Cacrebi, Omoya young ones.
Oh, and then found.
You would do the Amopa, yes, and Yanko, so I must say, Yenimbo, noble. I can't lack. I lack in the minimum dry at home.
Your Mompire no more, no mobile body, Yanko Pon, Tilby.
I'm the Mompire anywhere.
I'm on 2 Mukrumobi.
Omoya de Nebeshe.
Omoya deno eno no be dan
she na menti ase na dan no bi ni de
wo de bibi ombe ye bia ye di nkunim ye di ko awana
basa ochina
awana
sanyum na boy
ye di nkunim ye di ko
ye be sa di bio
be to amam
91 na 92
ebe 92 Senegal
92 ena sanyum no ma nkrofo aduane ka dem no kai
oh sa ye di nkunim na
ekodu ba bi no bi ansa bio
se basa ochina na Ghana card ombewie no ana
amuwie se yenyina ya awie no
debi ochina ombewie nkran de no sa bibisa
na no pay ansa na mebe adwumom na nkrofo kram mu wo SCC kaswa kwaso SCC enti mu amu ya registration wo SCC ahemache no yeso amu di line mu no na allegation e che say enkro wo mo ba be free binum ewom ye pekepeke ne ya kire omu din I register mo na wo udi line so no udi line so
na sa akwekoku football bo
ye besre
dia make asi so necessary no credit
na Ghana card waje wo de
debi me twan ma bibi atwam Ghana card
na time me obi frame me no na fe na ekobo 5 or so udi line so na me sa 5 am nim kokodi line so a fara baba kan news ama mansieti
debi sa Ghana card no mu wi a obetumi akọ officer ko register
enye no me so mbeji scan
na scan hia no mbeji obetumi
agba bra wo na ya hema o
obetumi age 100 Ghana
bra unim so amuje me 20 kura be me ya
say here wa me dey I'll prefer to pay than some akọ gina wiam the whole day sa day ni minya
na yesu kura yensam enyeba
minya sa day ni minya no ende no credit ne kan ba akọ pay that day minya
enyenya menye etua mi ntua
me dey me metua
ye ni mati free no kwa
Cowbell, our Milk Second Kings Real Estate, the home for kings. Call them on 0244645784. Latest from your partner for life. Agbeve Herbal Center, Wayara Safi, Lily Rice, tasty food, happy family. Vodafone, the future is exciting. Ready and Tabia Herbal Mixture, your true and authentic herbal medicine. One of the sources here didn't apostle. April 1 Black Stars and the baby.
Na mum, ye kadi agro. Ye ebe me ye ni age. Am ya bo say and it's a Black Stars betimi akwa nanim. Na nam so ama e beka se ye bekem. Ye kono ye ultimate aim and say ye de crew ano ebeba. Enti mpaye na ye nyina ye mfanta wo machi Black Stars we me nya sure say obi kura no no ana so obi ne no wase obi ane ne mprehwe ye nyina ye de a enti mpaye no de nana ye benden ye guso a ye bo na ye bo no nkrofo bedidi ho enti wo na me mete ha me bo me mpaye ama Black Stars na ye betua wo ka e wo mu no e wo sa wo so ku ho na ye adwuma ye nyina on the level ground ye Ghanaians but wo ye tua wo ka to help the Black Stars win. Enti I was so who said a Juma Sudi da so no so. Enti nkwatena ho mfa anya kokwasa na Ghana for de no mbeka. Ghana for de no mbeka.
Me de omo sha be me de but omo mrefie. Ghana card no metro mudin.
Oh.
Na de na chance be tuya. Oh, me ade am chi ni nipa ase no kre na da ho no de wada. Unu yare amani nso yare no no maduru.
Yare ba de se aduro da ye no ye ho be den.
You don't believe in miracles.
Miracles, eh?
You don't believe in miracles.
Last time match I say you started their politics now.
But one can say no, yeah. No, what did they say? Madagascar bet match Nigeria 2-0.
You see, enye GDO. Preparation.
But now we shall
Tobo her Madagascar for match no. Obi timi je ball. Or her nechi, utimi ball. Obebo ball ni be do na play gyina ho because they have a team. Your players we don't have a team. Hey. Obese be kan okre no. Team ne yare, omomra fie ne oyemese ho yare. We nya mfe ne de be wada o. Team ne nye. Omumra fie ne amese ho yare. Masa, ocho omumra metro mu din enkoye ne.
Na team ne nya na mwaka ma no to mi asesa ticket mi dani Africa so.
Wana aka na no atu. Wana aka na no. Na wo kam na ko.
Sesa sika we drum mikro Africa so a Allah.
Ah.
Komikrom ho ne ma nyina.
Me si komikrom aguna bipua. Me pese me si school kra na
me masa for 2 minutes na. Edu safa ho ya actress good morning.
Bacho good morning.
Me hwe na wani aju Adom TV so sa. Minim so come on.
Me play football. Me a fan of football.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Black Stars matches no one say. They are born and they are born the last time they are basoi.
Me share Adom FM. Etiefo nyina omutie Captain Smart. We are safe for nyina. I think sir from my perspective no. They are not doing anything. Yes. Oh, say on the field of play, no, me support Barcelona all because of Messi's passion for football.
Okay.
Ojina okra na say Neni Krase was so O2 free kick and that's all bibia. Osha from the level of his eye to the pole to everything. I would say akwan ewonimu
or pashe.
By the and I said that Maya first almost mumbo like obia ye the pair the besibia and family who but say football in the can atamfo crabum. Football na only obi show be your bones and asani prekana men penasem. But na mo discuss it. Anti football is they are not doing anything, Captain. They are not doing anything to help the game of football.
And 2% when you're then on bit my SS.
Oh, maybe who homecoming? Me for yes because and the match na ye bonoma on say ye Ghana no ye ha say nyame beye is our problem. By yemfa ahoden any what we are to do no we don't get it right. Enti onu wojide se na Guinea for no sebe se obi ban so born international football nti ne papa mame ana ne papa bi ana ni nua ba bi nso te asori dem ene se rade ma me nua ne moye no nhye no nya international team. Enti nya nko na wo hawo by ye ha it's like yankwa na wo hawo nti yankwa na nyankopon be but it's not possible. Nyankopon agya wi ase na mai se yenye de nyina ye betumi aye. Enti me de I don't see anything extraordinary today.
Oh, share homecoming.
Of course.
Countryman Songo, good morning.
Fantastic morning, more fire.
Ha! Bemanet say.
Me rija, me si jam, me nanti jam, me de jam, me bibia yuja. Me nyanko pono so, more fire.
Egypt yaboko.
Fantastic.
Good.
Bibia did an akwanso.
You bought the other last match the way, no man, you want no among come. Yeah, hey, the match your boy second game no. Now who is saying?
First game, what the hell? Saying a kobai. Oh, and ya dia kura.
Jim FM.
Then, ye Cameroon ye will come to the party. The ball Cameroon we and also draw. First game a draw. Cameroon to see a draw. Oh, ye bobo. Oh, ye bobo. Oh, ye bobo. The bobo na ekusi say. Ekusi say to me anshe. Ya board draw first game. Ya board draw second game. Ya board draw first game no. And no man kwe also coaching no my players and also mu change your attitude. Omu chile bibi. Omu say against Cameroon they will come to the party. Against Cameroon your boy I had to me anshe. Oh, I read it and say, oh, ye bobo. And then never be do Guinea Bissau. 80 for now. Coach Akwesiapia in the technical team. And the day are you captain in the players. And yadia Omaba into the picture and I say bia. Senia also muti a deliver Magana no or more at the my award tournament we so far.
Guinea. Say ye na ejidie na na say yebetimi ahye Guinea. Yebetimi.
Ye ejidie. Football no ye bonu afraid no so. Omu yo mti o fire. Can crash sembi motivate woman am say. It's not about motivation. It's not about crash semu. It's about on the field of play. nia coach ni tire boys no coach no philosophy ni tactics yi adwuma coach ni selection yi adwuma ni substitutions yi adwuma then also boys no so kire se they are hungry a combi di womo a umpese womo ku womo ho edi magana for that is what or say a few ewo field of play football ne no obia hubo obia suabo and obia hubo it's about what you can do, you understand, and then they have to deliver a win at all cost near also Blasters team ni against Guinea-Bissau and say a win at all cost and you understand because players in the technical team no also will produce win against Guinea-Bissau and also will produce because Ghanaians Ghana ni BN wo ba gia tum say ya free tournament mu sisi yawo ana ma fa akọ draw na you because can who say ubo draw na unya 3 points ebi mu kuta 4 points so how are we going to qualify it's all about say also mu ye dey edi enkunim edima Ghana ni BN wo obagia tum say ya free ana say ya draw ene or say players no sacrifice also mu ku wo mu ho also mu yedey omu eku wo mu ho papa you see your players na the way na omu sorry ebi ya complaining position ya boy ya mpe position na ya boy no ebi complaining na yenkofa eye womu massages so se physiotherapy so se dey womu ede ebetimi massage womu ebi complaining yemfa womu mra those things Ghana deliver as much when it comes to say you the taxpayers money team no when it comes to say team ni here bibia ebetimi ama campaign ama omu ho ato ma Ghana aye bibia de ama omu enyo ma coach na beka say when you the best of campaign. And so woman are the best of company. So why the complaint? And a position I have woman and you're correct. Omu interviews be omu ya no mu person much say coaching him because or boy a bit out of position. But this is a moment to also sacrifice it. Also commitment level no high. Now cool baby ya do but to be an answer ububiano. We are day uku and coach Aquasia piano should be bought. You see, me who that is me who philosophy bia, but at the end of the day, so obesa I shit, obesa I am green, obey board, I playing body. No ama obia who say I am in charge. Ya basi about Queen Wama Ghana and take up. It when you're ready, no, just get out. I will pull you out of camp and I say, well, when you're ready to play, no. I will sit you on bench. Anyone more ready to play, no. Obey, show me just Amuma Bono. That is what I see a coach, no. Because Egypt we are not here say about the police player view. See about the croco player be and here about the croco coaches be. It's about cap 37 years in Sanka Cap, no. Yeah, so see, the taxpayers' money. Because yeah, BBM team, no. Ya ye bi o se ye mat Blasters team no ya ye edi amomo enti in fact ball a omo bo any coach na ekoso edi magana no enya dia eso ani and also omo show up tournament na ye bona ekoso a Ghana abo draw me no draw enti mi ma qualify draw enti mi ma Jacob we have to win enti sa excuses na everybody no yentimi nje entumu da sa excuses no also omo yede forget it simple we need the resource and also omo deliver
okay
also players in kire say omo eni abri omo show anger bi eni bire bi you understand and you say Ghana bodro me I relax yes yeah ebe ye be say the next match in those things and me enfanje cup enfanje tournament. They have to come into the picture. Also, Blasters show say you will Egypt and your tournament ma you compete.
When your first 11 no.
Am I first 11 be am I players e be really out of tournament. E be complaining position. E be complaining. It's a mean also me bo any kwasa me tina bench. This is the moment also coach in your board on in the tanko. Akosi apia in the tanko. Also me board no mutumi yede. Am I the right selection? Selection is the am we are hoping say anopoya mu okono selection no ebeba ne humrantia umbesi akano e di amagana ba ni nyina ne say player bia odini ba tournament bia no o wa say mu player ni o believe say player no also say Ghana jesi e no odina ba it is a first 11 o say no ot bench o media ni aminim ne say mako park ni so na ma deliver ma Ghanaians ni age. That is what I know.
All right.
It is a wine or bubble, some wine or bubble. Captain A. They have to deliver blasters players no bono mo bonanya coach in a kwasona kwasia PA no and so yet they have to deliver also mo attitude.
All right. Maminda wasi. Na countryman songo na 7 in din komo a free
more fire.
Egypt no that's it. Augustine him for a former Black Stars player. Senior, good morning.
Morning, Capito.
Na bibia bokoze.
Nyamina Adom waze.
Nyamina Adom kaka cry bibia fine pa. Mpocho if abaze na ye lack nta ye first match, in second match. Why it's the 1982 yeah started AFCON 1982. The same thing, your first match was 2-2, your second match was goalless draw, and then this one, I don't know what's really happening.
Thank you, Maminche, for if anything about history is what we have to go by there, then obviously we are going to win in the match and announce them.
Damn sorry, I am.
Wow. Really, I think that we really don't lack anything in terms of the game itself. But we need to be effective in front of the goal and in the format that you're born. Make a format on any formation you can once and be. We have to know the system I use because last match, Odru baby, now I was asking myself, some of the players in other position pan and now, but what was the input? Let me name the instructions given them. And see, this is what, if we are able to improve on we can go far. Don't forget that the name Ghana itself, and when it comes to football, a man for Osoro Ghana. As a seed of me interview Gante after the match, you know what I'm talking about. And so don't let us write them off like I heard my brother Songo say in Egypt. When he talks about philosophy, I ended because the word is there, we just take the word and bundle them out. When you say you don't see the coach's philosophy, I don't understand what he's trying to say. But but I believe in this team that we can go further. This is if we are able to win today's match.
So one can say no songo ka ebinom se players no one who can no form ebinom se play coaching or as an organizer there unya ho keka bia ozere. Do you see it that way?
Captain, obiana ne attribute of life. Etasa ebia awo show kaka ebia me Augustine me show, but onye the man na kwisi men say bia o baby ono obe show that men to your be show no. We don't look at the person's demeanor and say that ebia he is not doing bibia or the ofino yenti, because actually let's say Algeria for coaching now. Oja Bob one Cherbia. Now he still has that player attitude in him. And you see him throwing his hands, going down, when your chance now I show him the now look to get or look form. That is him. maybe a question appear onto them. But let's not, because Obi from the Ocean addressing no digital crana and the Nimaya Bibi no a problem be one. And I didn't know what answer to give him. You see, I also will see that players, as professionals as they are, they should sometimes own up. And I'm happy that Thomas Partey, when interviewed, he said there, he thinks he can do more. And this is a top professional, or a big club, or Europe. In Tinalawa Yadina, then Kofi Nobutu, he said it. And I'm sure that the next match, which is today, maybe I won't give you. But someone like Kuja Sama, if what I've read is anything to go by there, Adom so I know that position Bono, you are not happy. Another, you are not comfortable with that. When you do that, you are trying to force the coach's hand. So if you look for Honor saying happy, then obviously we know Baba about tomorrow. So we should be careful as professionals in our communication after the match. Say, if you are yada, I think I didn't do that much, but I think I can do more. People will really accept that and know that, of course. I identify Bibia into my year. Because coaching they one more direction on the field. But you are a self-coach also on the field. And as a professional, you should be able to identify when to go, when not to go. When to make it simple, where to take advantage or try to take the opponent on. What I was happy about in our last match is that after our first match, and I said it severally, that I want to see the young team you have a construct game from the back going forward. Because as Muhammad John Boy did a red card now. He stood behind the ball. Referee taking a position. His teammates and the opponent team were all standing waiting for him. And then he waited and asked the goalkeeper, or the goalkeeper asked him to move forward. The referee gave him a yellow card. You see there, at that position, he should have passed the ball back to the goalkeeper, take the ball again, probably ask Kasim Noho to open up and give him so that we can start the game from there going forward. In Cameroon, this is what I saw from the beginning. And you could see from the show, may expect these things from our team. Because Captain Dama, we open up the opponent to also open up. Because yesterday pass which in one, but they would rather come forward to come and block and tackle. In doing that, over open space, then our midfield can take advantage of it. So these are things that direction that should probably come from the technical men in charge of the team.
Mamenda was Augustine. Bibia Baby Mama Safro. Augustine here for your former Black Stars player. 1982, Libya. I remember very well. You catch me. Say now Black Stars no more person be kwa tournament no because there was a political instability. Libya. And Chairman Rollins then Modia Casa Debbie Monko tournament no. Yakoye Libya host nation. First match, Obiasha and Yonkum, you know, and a year draw. And a second match, and a Cameroon, ya done your no boy here, and also so goalless draw to say they done a coin. Your third match, Yanni Guinea, Bissau, Bebo, and I hope, sir, over here phone what the microphone says so. I a woman, Wampa. And your third match you share 1-0. That time now Kwesiapia Katim no as a player anyway. And then so we must coach. And then you can rule out the IUs also out because that time their father was also part of the playing body.
That time now can computer Mayo.
It doesn't matter anyway.
That time not smartphone Mayo.
It doesn't matter.
To say football will be at them.
And you know.
So we shouldn't think say na Ghana we are footballing nation. Who there Madagascar from there Nigeria?
No, Adem ba kwen say o share so say.
There who there Madagascar from there Nigeria for who here?
Me who here.
And a boy no obi antimi kasa boy me there.
Obi ankasa.
So when your opportunity no wan sha, obi be sha.
Na say opportunity ye creative bi ni ya share.
Opportunity be ni an creative. Opportunities be ni enya.
Dear boy, I branch boy about pull.
Yenya ya pupu ya to say can't take cameraman. Let's get serious. We should let them know. They cannot joke with certain things.
Master, $50 million spent when you have Brazil.
Offer 50 million pay. Fako mi kroma gonna be poor na correct dey. Say me the 50 million ko mi kroma gonna be poor say me president.
Nana.
$50 million. Who the soup come?
Jai.
Oh, $5 million. Me pay $10 million. Ako mi kromo otrope. Ako ye project o me nya 10,000 cedis. Me di draw on mo met media ye bibi. What's he saying? Pay. Me nya 1,000 Ghana cedis.
What be kwatrope se?
Ko bi kato ni na man 1,000 cedis. Kato ni na man 1,000 dey obi timi.
Ya Bob Sika ye dey project din e dey amakro bi ani aso e be ye onwanwan so no oni bi.
Ekro bi ha nyina.
Kro ni mu nyina.
Oh,
problem say wo ho no.
Ekro bi ha omo ha nyina eye janan bia.
Wo dey tu ajana omo mpeke VIP kura tu ajanan.
1,000 Ghana.
Na boso na fan train ya papa faguso.
Project be.
Wo dey ajanan toilet keke. Wo dey tu local one no bi. Yanka say KVIP. Wo dey mayamo amena na yeso kama twanua na
1,000 Ghana.
Ai, na je ho kakra ma omo na chamienu. E mankwa ha me mankwa ha. Enu kra no omo ni beso. Ghana yete no ebinom abre o. Baby ebi mu wano.
I think the assistant taxpayers money near the amamo.
Safa said
no mo bona ase.
No.
Oh there be. Okay, yes, crank ho be mama.
There be say me maka wa Adom TV dada.
Me dey me say ye be.
GDA. O kan wa me say 2. But team ba ko be stop ball sir, but 2 against one of the crown. But make ga number bu any what.
Men Ghana ye be say.
Boy, when they are commenting in this here. When they are commenting in this here. What you want no? What the amade there you? They
Emasa. Yebeshe, and Ghana be winning.
It's not possible.
And shekeke.
Yebeshe one.
It's not possible.
Nana is not share. We will win. We are winning today.
Simple.
GDA.
And yes, sir.
Two goals.
Nana de nya me say enya ball fe
ba ning na ye country back there
senka ball fe
no
anya no Ghana for be winning
ya ba winning match
what dey anya show said obi
I think say I was say we emotions every the game of football
emotion now wo kase player and fam no me dey me nyimfirim mama so me fam me dey aka ho
mine is passion.
Yes,
emotion, your feelings, like who feels on the
share. It's my feeling. And yes. There was some remember how I feel. No. We are going to win.
Yeah, winning match.
No, Chairman,
we are losing the match today.
1,000.
Yeah, much at
Chairman, 1,000.
Pentecost need bachacho.
Pentecost need bachacho.
Okay, move first can remember me.
1,000.
1,000.
Yes.
No, family. Nana also found.
Let me see about when. What's about the
Nana 1,000.
Okay.
Some for 1,000.
Yeah, show me the
man. I champion say me na one.
030216561 21656. We are winning today.
We are winning today.
We are winning today.
Na someone winning no mama mi chantro.
What try
we some betina handa minya pesa ma bakaza men.
What try you
and then we are winning.
Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Mini Abema.
I was saying that to say.
We be here EDB keke.
Okay, and then I be saying
me fafi me did the lionic. Say Pentecost ni na wase moto chacha ka ye say Pentecost for ento chacha why?
Ento chacha.
Me da say wanu hwam.
And ye be saying
de be ye bia no. O de me nya ba say win. Either 10-0 and 10-2 kana we are going to win. It mo bon paye na ye coach na say wadi pedi mu, say wadi den yo. Am person be 15.4 no. Yankopon kana kuma. No nya de papa ma na ye bredo do. Me nya obi ti be turn now ball.
Me da say for the next person. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Captain.
And you have a shadow do say?
Oh, 2-1 Ghana.
2-1 Ghana. Okay. 2-1 Ghana. Me da say. Yeah, for the next person. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Ebushana to say.
Yeah, me Adom Boko.
Send that you be winning.
Oh, and be winning. Mama and cancer pa my boys.
And you be winning.
Yeah, mine. You be winning.
Me da say. Yeah, for the next person. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
And our score line here say.
Captain.
Yes, sir.
Me driving na mapake. In fact, Blackstars. Omo deliver na e be di omo ho ya pa. E be bo mu dua 50 million no. Obia one farm ne dia ama back dia no odia. Popo be bo ni minim. Bye bye.
Hey. Yes, way. Yes, way. I wish I'm at here.
Hey, Papa.
Nyami Adom.
Imo de be against one. E be Ghana 2-1. So say mo ye dey fa ko suru bia.
On be share 2-1. Hey, hello.
Hello.
Good morning.
Morning.
Ma chair.
Yeah, ma me jusu ba jo never share ayi we 2-0.
2-0.
Yeah, ba asema ko bi ha me. Contractor na o ye temadi vie le kwan.
Yen ka kwan asem ha ate. Ye ka boy eni abre pese ye ja be ka kwan. Ye na ye kwan ye obra. Ghana ha me hu bebi o mo kwan ye fon chen tantra ne ye ria ne ne so tom.
Oni mu fie kwan ni mu a.
Hello, good
morning.
Hello, morning.
Oh, morning, Captain.
Ebuja, my hand was way.
If I check out the way, Grandma Cook Captain, in the year 3-1. 3-1. Ghana Besha 3-1.
Ghana Besha 3-1, okay. Yeah. That's it. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Ebuja, Mamintio.
Your friend Gabriel Alcamo community in Tema.
But that's Gabriel.
Yo, and then Ghana Besha 5 goals. 5 pa Jordan you be 2. Dida you be 2. Asamoah Jan be 1. Me da say.
Also Diana. Hello. Kafra, you next person. Hello, morning.
Morning.
Pacho Mamintio. Mamintio.
Ghana you see hands down. One breath you singing now.
Yeah, Lucy.
You don't be saying 2-1. Oman saying for beyond Ghana is coming simple.
I don't know. Yes, hello.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Pacho, you're from Mr. Nobody, Mr. Kubo Dumase. Now, Ghana, Ebeche 2. Now, first half, 1 goal. Second half, 1 goal. PSA 2-0.
2-0. That's it. Hello, good morning.
Morning, sir.
Ebushama Mintio.
Captain, from Sly, Mankasim.
You.
Ghana is a 2-0. 2-0. It's 2-0.
2-0. Okay. Hello.
Hello.
Morning.
Good morning.
Ebushama Mintio.
Yeah, Vasco is okay.
Vasco.
I 3-1 why? Oma omuni jedi no omon kwada.
3-1 wo.
3-1 yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
And for next person, hello, good morning.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Good morning.
Morning, sir.
But you're within the games,
James Medasi, Mamintio.
But you're coming about a battle.
4 o'clock.
And you will be any who we are going to born a battle.
Obiandin fufu ansa born abaso. Upesa wo chese brante wo behwe yi wate.
No me dey.
Wo behwe yi pa. Hello.
Yeah, Captain.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it's any God in the person number.
God in me that low radio no mame.
Yo, okay, thank you. In fact, say blaster for no man to me reading the pad na ba ku ni pa ba ku dia also kaka na say from probable minimum no. Any nka be ba super and omo wi ni ma nya sadia and ye be sinu nya yi that.
Me that say. Hello.
Captain Smart.
Yes, sir.
Obama ni me so me wusu home.
Obama contempt mame.
And then the first time Ghana be winning 4-1. Ghana be 4-1. I be surprised you be because I'm a fool to say draw. The MB film, but and then Ghana be 4-1.
4-1.
Market somewhere. Obama Macron.
Okay. Maybe they win na mehwehwe. Win na mafife. Mafife win. Hello. Maybe mafife win. Say 5-1 no. Say 4-1 no. Say 1-0. Mafife win. Win na mafife.
Captain. Guys, I will fair win.
Hey.
Omo say 5-0, 4-0. Ade gini bisa for no mo no sana ba bedana.
Audio 50 million also. Sikana ye de call tournament we no ho. What cut teams no be 10 boma o musika de $15 million. Yeah, the $50 million na call. Eti en pesa be kwa.
Omo ayi o mo no mo bo. one kasa kanokre meme yo ba we ye bema kanokre se enti braba pa bempa na nkofo we yo mbo tournament ni braba pa bepa me whilst a Black Stars e bon na me bo game o me phone so
oh and ebia what say me wo mpe ball ntra
me pe ball pa but like ade papa ben ade troka
it is almost na over here dey
almost fine but me dey me ninda so say Black Stars e be wini ende me fama kuma be dey che be wi na me ko St John's Hospital akoji BP dro one kasa shepate waye ni ti se wo mefunu Captain Jai Christian Atusha de wakoye ni ti hu mo ndwen ade na mo ye no some lifestyle be just we a footballer na se wan ye wotiri hu sa se ball no wuntimi mbo se denyo wa share last match na boy ade papa ben pa no mo ye wunti o mu dimpo
wanu ye
oh Captain Jai no credit o na waka fa wo me funu
ni ti sa wo me funu
show de fa wo me funu si ho
bye bye
Mr. Medase
bye bye fa foforo bra
na yenya sa se ye wo obi na niti abam na nti de kwa akototo ni hairstyle wa ye obia ne brand mama ncho obia ne brand obi de oye tattoo eti enu no de obi emmobo but de wa ye ni tiri wo chance ahwa ye wati wo de to a ne brand enti se adwuma na ye twi omo kase wo mo nkoye no omo obo na mpa ho a mama ye focus ne ye nka adwuma na wo mo ye no ho asem se ni padua na wo gina ho se wa ye ni tiri wo dan no eno nka ho emmobo no bi
apart from that cry no unse
personal attacks no
remember 2 minutes each until we are
personal attacks no there I please and na man for kan na kwasi apia na ne shirt ne e kedi agroba man for say de no mo fa na was like hey seriously adan no no gina park ni su bia na kwasi atutu ntuma agu so kra nka na enya hwe de hia ne se boys ne be hye enya boro fe ena enya atale fe ena enya star obi kwa koyie yeso wo mo nkonkwo bobo nhego no mo nye trophy mra
okay.
It's Adom is wrong.
Adom, so we are near
Black Stars. I hope so.
There be why we.
I hope say Black Stars. Some na make and so mo better there. Womu se Ghana for. Ye de akoma na bibi a show mo. Ade ba ko e ma Ghana ye de. E ye ball. Hwe o man e no ma Ghana fo hia pa nya no maketoa. Eti se ni nyina chi na panfo atumi ada adwene ho hu se Black Stars some bobo e ka oman ni boom. Eti munyi sika wei na mo nkwana mkote oman nanimu a. They shouldn't think about themselves. They should think about the country because so oman anya de omedi oman ni hwamo. Me omo sha be me de. But I don't see them winning. Oh. I have to tell you the truth.
Yes.
Ghana your problem no.
Why your spectacles you will see.
Asamne da ho yo near the wada. No credit yes.
We are winning.
No.
We are losing.
We are losing. We are losing.
One calculation no. One me no face. One so losing. You me no face.
I don't see losing.
I want
yes. I was losing.
Nana mama correct impression. Make us say Pentecost ni no bochacha man ka say Pentecost
so la.
Nana dia wo say nyame ne say and the captain born on bebo no nyame enfo mu nyina medu fi asundwo no enfo mu nyina nkom various teams because
we are winning.
We are losing. We are losing. We are losing. We are losing. We are losing.
We are winning.
We are losing.
Adom 106.3 no watch about pounds madunsia. And China Crabia Santa Kotoko Hini 2 ahim from Yenu. Or chain is where tobacco. Into we MP ready ye betu. Manin quoted him. Say ye 2 ahim from the MPs in ye bet 2 more. What? Ye bet 2 more papa, ye bet 2 more son one. Ye bet 2 more papa, yeah, ye bet 2 more. Ye bet far report na le go for ye and ye de beton. Ye bet 2 more bruta. Amoya there come on person beti no. Said ye bet 2 more afi we no 2020. Baby I end this stronghold MPP back ho baby MPP stronghold end this back ho. Ye bet 2 more sanwa. I can't some chamunti. Mu be ye there ye be you kwan we be kwan o be di MP as MP nyi kwan. Na MP nyi kwan so grade as unfa nyi kwan no so. MP wunya kwan grade keke so ntimi fa nyi kwan. Ye be said ye tu ahemfo no. Ye be tu mu bruta. Central region, Central region, Western region MPs no munya ready. Said ye be see tu mu no. Wan be fala. What?
Jim FM.
Can't some chamunti no. But what the other channel so mama say the GCB your bank for life or say what the other bra say bia wo kosuku e ho ka bra ye betua yare hwemu bibi temtem bia mpofrim bia ba bebom pa ye betua eno da nchen a bill bi ni emergency bia be piem wo gye ho hwe anya ye bra ye betua ma ho eno eda nchen a sa ebi efie bi na opese wusiesie ne ade a eno so oh ye bebo mode aboa mo timi asiesie ena afei wo be ko holidays bi e ho kaka oh fa brai be ye ana wo ye adwuma bi na opese odi sika bi ko wuram eno so ye wo 180 branches across the nation Momodia na koho from 0800 422 422 honorable na ya kwansa gomwa central MP no on the say ade sika de ye no so to boas na de na de ni ma papa mu de MP no ba ko no mo maka de me ma na mo ye rofo ye betumu papa ye betumu papa ye nya hu say de man ko be ko parliament at ye betumu Muda mbe say kan ye betu prime minister no wo betu de beto ate and 24 hours pepe duru ha GCB be ma lo ye be kwa kwaji bia ma no mo be MP GCB your bank for life Saro dan Kenya Eco Bank or say Express Point no ebe boa ma say that last me catch you which me access say banking services across the country say ye ko holiday say ye danyo say ye kwasiado say ye memene do time bia pesa o ye bank ni bia ko ha obenya wade wo dia ne say obebie instant EcoBank Express account na wo de sikatum betumi asanso yibi e token susu ne nam na wo na wo kro no wo hia hwe just simply dial *770#. Now I select 8 digits no for Express Locator. Now I select your region. Now I enter 3 letters of your area. Aja, Jadem, now what I walk chrono. EcoBank, the Pan-African Banker. Total, I've gone one the end of Yabeshe. And the Yabeshe. And see, Koto Fuela, Ubora Total Filling Station Bia, now we sue Total Card and Troxy Card, no, now we be Total Service Station. No, we coupon one out the corner. Patcho Momodia say, we are so hona, and let me to be a golden tulip and our Murphy, my name coupon, never quaquajan by force. Utoy Tigana Pesa, see the mount to Tobru it as a mount, yes, when I walk chrono. While we were so I checked the Wumbian, you're the Total partner of African football. Zeno Radio, you know, Muni Bibia, Yibium. I don't pay your money, a taxi driver back one. Or okay, the better says you on a mam, you know, and that's here. On the back one, no on the back one, now only the Wawono didn't call the own ye fee. Say Tessa, send Tessa. Elizabeth Boache, a year, a bantier taxi driver, you were free me. Ninu Yaba. Man is with him in Kamache. Hello, Lizzie. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Ma'am, in Pacho, what's in Kamache?
Hello, da.
What's in Kame Mawache?
Yeah, da.
Yabamu Yakon so.
Yo.
Asami then a buy.
Me pa me nuane de me wo su bi no no wo kede.
Na ye.
Efiada no besra me wa ha. Enti me nda na ahomate me da ho na me se ebo be 11 no. Ana mo fra me se me nuane obi di dade awo no. Ya be do. Enti me de na me nji ni se no kura enti me kwa no. Me kwa mo chere ho na ya no kura se obi akuru. Anaja ye to adwan anti ne mpran na akunu.
Den mpran ne kunu.
Oni ga ba ku awo ana osan de ti ba ku nti yesi issue bi ba oni de oni na awo ne maame ntam ana oye se obefre ba ku na wapa ne chew se de oye no anya ne yie nti akọta pani se omonko na omonkopa ne maame ne chew nti pani ni saja agisa ofla ba na oni na awo no e ba na omususu hu nti ofla na obi wo yeso obi wo kurom ha na ofla e wa kunu ni se omla na minua na afre na yele se omla nti o wa ha oba na wo minua ne nchen nti oba no se dade ani kura na odi fi akoyo se den o papa no de minti minkyere nti me wo ha na yeso oba no ba ye no minua ne eso ne nsa se na aden nti so ne nsa o e no de dade no e wo ne boso nti motene sa na se no kure
me maame nti ase ye no one de wawo no maame na anya asem ana so ne hwan na anya asem
one na awo ne maame na anya asem ana asem na chi no so pese okopa ne maame chew nti okopa pani no na pani ni se je se ofle oba ne ba no mususu asem ne ho na de che za dan memenda na owu ye na komaba abepa chew no nti anaju na no mo ho na so mo pa chew ni wie no mo koda yo sadeyo ana obi so frɛ oba ba ko ne sɛ menua no ne mpra na ba ho nti ono so mla nti oba no na sɛ dade ni kura no so odi fihi o so di fia no de mintimi nkyerɛ omu nti opie ye no menua ne ka kyɛ ba ko ne sɛ obi epu na ondwane nti odwane ye no ana menua ndi onimi sɛ de oni ne tie no ontimi endi ne bone saa nti oban no na ɔsɔ ne nsa na eso de dade no ewo no nti motene sa
wunua be ma no so ne oba na one na wo nsem se obie prono na ono ondwane
ondwane nti oba ni dwane ye no na aka oni de wo ku ni pay oni no nti ono so ne nsem sa okrokro no sa ebia so ahu bibi sa ebi obekire ni mu se ni senti na oba no ba ho
na waware wo mu mienu du bia na so onware obi a
onwale obi a
enti eba ne sen na ono ba jebu nua no ka kire ba ko no so onwane
sa ono obopu no se ene meku ba ko ene ba ko bewu aso obopu no ani bre so enti obi epu no se sa ade na me bie pu na adwane
na nya bia no menti ho na se e ma no mani nhia na
amani ntan hia entokwa ne de omota ko ahapa na otemenchen wosubi ene entokwa de omoko nti yakwa na memi tumi ni ane foto oba na owa ha ne fosa nka be ya ontwa so na nko bia fa ne kwanti so mo nya oba afo a be ma ntimi ene omo ntena ntimi tutu omfo a so omo nti entie mame
na omo bo nua be ma no ho atwede omo ta ko pa o
amo akunde amoko
e ma ne mienu no
amo ko no ho pa
e na obi aso nya na adwun so obejai
obi aso wutu we fu a we sami na me pani wutu we fu a we sami na me ne na wo
anti ba ko so ye pani nti onko e na ba ko so se me ne na wo ntimi nko
anti pani no na aku be men
oni na tena ache
me pa so pani ni do oni na tena be mfie mienu ene akire ni
pani ni na wadi mfie mienu no
da bi pani ni na woni na si a wadi ewu no ono na tena be mfie mienu ni
ene de wa wo isu be yesen
de wa wo no de won insan sa oni no so atra be ono ne pani ni tena ya nsa na oni de wa wo ne be tena
Auntie, the only now win on the better and chair.
And say,
On the inferior. Okay. Auntie, said the audition can win your beman away.
if I told you so, a police want some work at it.
Oh, yes, I know Johnny and answer when Johnny.
Much more, yes, and also slowing to know by your quiet bush and fears or be our mini and that dear that got him. And you know, I mean, an PSC, them, and I say, wa. I not say me and a dan and met them.
Or the one of them.
Oh, be a poor now or son and son, or the one or a dan, a dan up, more Johnny, you need a police to fly to dine.
Who you know what didn't feel say?
Okay, 20. 20 plus one.
Oh, 20 plus. But on your bear 29, dear.
Oh, that be 21 more.
Our bear 21 muho. Okay. And the other second war, when you is on so by over fear bear say.
Okay, me patron, no need any there. I will chance when you're 16 years.
The other second hour when you are bear man, I want to say over 16 years.
Patron.
And on who do you bear man a trim panache?
Aye.
Wow. And the why won't so on fear bear saying?
Yeah, I want 18.
On 18 years. Eti mana o mo kon be ma hono ba ko mfie du nsia na ba ko mfie du nwotwe.
Mpa chai.
E na be ma na nkasa ye bo no ho atwede ne wo 21.
Mpa chai.
Wo ma me ba no be ma no ana.
Mpa chai say.
Mu nua be ma no ne ono ana.
Da bi me fam no me papa wo ye 9, oni me ma me wo 9. And 9 ti ono na di machi mienu.
Emema ne yesai.
Emema mienu.
Mema mienu. Ona ye be ma pani ana seketo a.
Da bi ono na di machi mienu, be ma di machi ansa no no aba ansa na oba ba aku.
Eden ma ne den na omo ye okrom ho. Wo hwa den na omo ye. Ebia nro ya be nkrofo no no omo no bia na.
Oh, da bi omo nte sa na minim de ntia mi de mi hu ne sa odo bi na. Asa ba aku abufu e traffic.
To who say your dasem?
Na sense na say bibi sa de da bi mi hu amsa ane anya sa
unia be man hu ofe pa o.
Oh no, if you ade kwa ba ha o be me no sister me hu ofe che na me say hu ofe che me na ma ni mienu no hu na wajai no ene me kan ya no tu ni kan na tipa okoi.
Mo ma me ti ase.
If I saw mamma, yes.
O papa so ho.
Part-time.
Auntie, wo mo okro na mu.
Mu academy mi was to be.
Auntie, the esi wo ma me no papa anim.
Me part-time. Me ma me de oni ha o voter regent me papa anim na asam ni si.
Wo nua no wo sika kakra ho.
O ye driver nti ora ne ono na adwuma asam so friend ya agro ne e. So ya re kura be kwa kakra beda ma kwa kakra beda sa kwa pinsa de besa
ka ne yo no ane dia na obi dia
oh me pa so ni ranu wo kede hwa
anti obi ka na oka
me pa try
na wo bebia wo no papa ho
me pa try me wa subi si ade mi wo subi nti ono so wo kede
Eti police for kada na akere mo.
E ba cho police for ka che se om pe so mo ye efun ho prosmosi. Enti yesra ya sa ye ni bi yesra se ye ni bi nti. Me ba cho beje. Yesra se ye ni bi na mo se sa de na om be fe doctor no fiko kolebu aba ba ye no operation wo kede. Aba ye no prosmosi no kede.
Okay, ti ano na se mo twen won.
Me ba time waso obeba ba ye no memenda.
Na wonu anom na aka no omo so kede ho ana so omo so akwantum.
Okay, the odi machine the wa don krono ana me wa mienu wa don krono na me ko ame wa ha. Me wo subi.
Okay. Won so worry.
Okay. Me pa time.
Oh, okay. All right. Mamenda was Elizabeth and BBS Travel Safre. Why?
Mpacho. Da mo smart.
That's Elizabeth Boache Bema 21 years. Ba we din fi do won twene do nsia. E bo no ho atwede ye. E tete krum ha. Mo mo atwede. Ye tete kru yim. Mo ye ho atwede. Mosre. Okay. Kadwa to wesenka o pane membe bia ba ya bi ba watam gitai. Mo atwede. O dia mo ma grofo bon kwala nkete we ho atwede. O mo ye ho atwede. Odo asemo.
Present and send the Subaya sister. Nina refim down for Bia Menano. Mama mentre moi sene yo dase. Obey Obama maso. What you train me rere. Mia me kama. Na fe wa man ko de me. Now say
Odo asem wate ti munno yen every year mum so be a film but Bible ka say be say that ebe toda bi no wo mfiri mu e de nika beba Bible ade ebe toda no wo mfiri mu e de nika ebeba Bible say nyame betimi amma ya obeka wa ma fe bedu da no ebi na yesi o ba wonte che obeka so ase we na Ghana na ye ntibitete na radio ni huntra na bi ho sida we atasi ara se we check up check on fi na check o ma me mfi ntube hu se de kan na atasi we are to fear through my infianim. We I give 61 to 39 free. I got say, I give now a bad pa. Me mama know a bad pa. Oh yes, yeah, Sesi ameno kasem na shabeja for money bread and day. So amudwino omo ho chen yen. Adom so mpeche mba fofrasi. Baby amuti yenye hwe. Mwana musisa Ghana sika he wo mu nyina e de ye renovate. Wosa kwato China nkonwa begu mani bubu ye. Mani ono boss eche mensa bonsu the only change in Ghana politics. E no ka kire me e wa fidie so. Na nkonwa ne bi bubu. You go for a tablet, BBC, where to the TV pa, GTV traba akubi, MPC baby hunum. One of months I was to say, would you be tea? I say no. Ukrabu crying, yay, a banish on this car. Sikadu one person with this woman to minka. because on be kape Ghana for be ye won so me si o yenya hu sika e di besi saa dan no chinchina ye pese ye di MPs ni bi ka ho ne ye kwaje den ya na ye de o man kitikiti Nigeria so change 4 times ye MPs cha lata for ye MPs cha lata for ade den I adwin 275 no esama yenti ye san ko si chema foforo ne ya bam ne yetimi de MPs na beka ho aba moya mema sikana mu de besi chema mo fa ntudwa ukuro mu kwan grader kura untimi han grader 500 me mfa nju kwan so ati won fere wani nwu na ye be si chema foforo and as I see si chema foforo and as I see si chema foforo yenim say adwuma na mo ye no as MPs edin yenim was MPO fee upper east ba heya say okọ ni kuloma obekọ be wie ni constituency ni mu to be saba no na fuel a wato 7,000 enye easy won't the MP o East Legon obi drive 16 hours as wakọ ni constituency odo ji akatua pe won't the East Legon won na ji the same salary or driving 16 hours as we do the constituency. Once we East Legon, the same Land Cruiser. You hear about Casa Bacodi on Henry Car. Meanwhile, baby, or the car and the baby, I would say, no, Titifrim. Or quite a constituency, a plane bet to African, I say, US, a bedroom, no do the constituency. Don't do yet. Nim a bit of constituency said the host city no kwan tenteni adwuma wo ho no ane yagitum but this it wo ye no ane say na me dan ya mutimo ho ye ayadan wo ni sika se me ko bobe se ko di me yire birthday ya se be na wo wo ni sika wo di twa wo masuku fisi wo se me ko bobe se na me yire be di ni birthday na utu ya birthday hu kan wasa ko pepe san fofra san ko tua school fees we yes ah na chesa ka kakra ho imisho it's kuma koko bija na nyekwa eni ma haye wo krom ha sese pa no enye chamber fofra mo kwotinem obi amoti ye ho nya hwe na Ghana no ombesi yes said ye besi tumu afi no oda mo ntwen say prime minister and MPP prime minister September October ya me ami kuma so wo hwe MPs ni bi ho a say won akra mo resign kura answer prime minister time aso ba bi mo mfere ade o mesa kwa prime minister wa shwa MP a ode ne ti we shwa MP na said afi we be sie tumu no o said asante ni tuba no na o che hini su tuba no sa na e betumu betumu bruta kwa monko pe wiase musika na amra prime minister still I betumu ba ku bi o ya mi ama so pani o ya Adam ya nti be me cham se chat this abse padi pa anti bible iti ayo kan bi de udi MP ya sa dai Mama kai DC bi ano ama so pani me interview na mbusa so no ba ye pa den na watimi aye edutwam bi nsi da because this tweet said that also anya smart na some by my institute morning devotion the ban address ne the ban no pa bia ye bompa ye you try aka say be cham say ye bompa ye yes, someone MPC, I don't know, person Muslim Munai 275 na ye. Yeah, Tikram says ministers 123. Who be brazen in fast will be our kind of one person matters. bebre wo musu nim faso hui ban faso bako kra hu obi nim ho ministers 123 ya de besi na ukrom kwan ye ba he dada ukrom kwan wo say ya ukrom kwan and 23 minutes still here you come school dan bubu ye ntimi sisi 123 ministers 275 yeah the DCs no MMDCs no ka ho bebre sika amam ha ye gigi nyina ye retua nkrofo fia bi ka enso acha sen ana ebu mai ya ka mo pesa mo ba me ya be ka mo ka mo ntiase but MPs ye betu mo se prime minister ne ba MB before best starting your fan constituencies, then this is so best starting your fan constituencies. Mobile your fans and so on. You bet too much. You bet too much. What? MPs never see a fine. Be no so bad, Juma. A bit more year, Juma. Papa. 1 more year, Juma. Papa, the anymore. MPs be a minister so much than come constituency I not say me here Joanna me here me see me constituency good morning Papa you slow radio so be radio be watch me boss abaha I say me a bad son. I say me by 1 year me call the order. But on a more serious note, yes, some MPs no, e bi no mum motewu. Me nya kura nka me bie phone line no. Akaba hu say MP e betu. It's one say go for the research be by betum say bam survey no MPs no but then check the table so ba you be show MP a wa bon pa kroim be say nka ye be ko parliament a wuduru ho ade the constitution na ma na ye bi article bi ama so be hye dia article mi hwe when the Supreme Court judge yet say but what they kan na kirem nam na ye ntiase and said wa ko wura ho now Ghana na ya fofo la lenti I say obi opa ohwe ne pa de onka dwuma oye na ansa na obedi MP no ka obetima ye pa ba ohwe na brabo no super parliament ontimi nya dwuma no so no na ho ye betumu and I can't chairman here that Adom Pamlis way mu be ye debruta ye betutumu e matter what parliament ni bo adwuma che mo me ba no so so che say mo de na me mo nya me ma de bia ho ye consider me no be ka figure be kire me ba nya confirm ntimi nka say this as can kosi chamber foforo na baby o mo tere ye ti se mo free sa chamber no mo e ho mo de be dey yesi adanya mfaso ni so nkwa na yedigu kroma enso hospital si ho yesi we ntimi ntwa equipment fangum ti wa wo ye MP na hospital si wo constituency na ye ntimi ntwa equipment fangum na constituency ni wura na wo mu wuo no na se ye kosi dan foforo ama wo wabra de otimi ni nya hwe ababra MP ye betu o ye betu betu papa what the 7th January 2021 what the who's a parliament mu be sesa kama pa ye betu mumma mentrema sene yo dasem and institutional memory na me krom kwan yenye institutional memory yedi emre ya mo sha de bia mo kwa emre ya na mo wada ho Mr. Speaker sa ne de atwam ko Obi can be person be the privileges committee ni a hall ni pano say wam. Na da kura mudi obi bebo ho besa kan adwache mo gemu de tum. Ye betumo. Him for need to yeah, na no na chere yen kwan pa ye be fa so bi asante ni 2 1 2 oh che ni so tu ba ko se wam eti yen so se de ya hemfo no chere yen sa kwan no ye de betutu mu pa ye betumo Pasasa bana yeto no ye jamo sa na yeto na NDC fo di mu jo MPP fo so di mu jo ukuro mu kwan ye na support hunu Masemia Suku da yesu ukuro ma ebu akum nipa na me ye NDC me ye MPP support hunu me makasa nkaka da ho central na MPP awene na Manchia North na NDC so awene ne ya hwe ade support hunu amfa so ne so ne egu kuro mu ane ye wi anya kura se twen ho se na man ne ye ni kwan ene ye ni hasete ene ye ni so hwe support no support hunu na oye no Mama menche masene yo dase afi ye betumo bo mama so ochiche erere mia mekama get to come and school dan bukum nkwadan ketenketen sia e wo central region besi na school dan yesi awie school dan na bukum nkwadan yesi ye betu MPs no Sukoda na bukum kwada nketenketen sia ya nsunu gujam okrom ha yesun Sam yesi Mango ase secondary school bus ekwahwe form say pa ekumye kum teacher ni besi na we will provide a bus besi na bus a school for kura keke secondary school Yes, and yenye kwan yenye say and yenye say na time na oba me beto abama na catch am say we kwan we me kwa mehwe me yaye no oba wa hwe me yaye No, the bia na MPs be the presidential candidate no and at the end woman na ho sa ye betutumo and the amunya ready we are sending message we necessary pa men kan for you say we bet me the KD MP no Africa dey otimi ko di KD MP for you bet me ko di KD MP Tigo so be kwa from Plains North adwo be kwa hen o be kwa shaman Okobegro. I want 5 for Kobegro. Minyanya constituency regency for no central region. Bronga half for Ashanti East. Minyan decided here. By bet, me 4 regions I Ghana. Me decided Tigo na call from Plains. For Joe Kokede. Are you a 05 Ekobe Groba Utinu Becha? Father win kwa church and kwadane hono baby. MP wada ni Tifa. Ubechati. Utinu ube yi wate. Mumi se fia bankwata maklo se hin ono nso beko. Afidi ebetumo MPs no why ade obi o ha wakobe 4 times why ade. Oso beko hin go so. Aha, fia bankwata maklo se okogo so. Afi we yebetumo papa. What's it? I want a pram. That's right. And I shan't in the M50 stronghold. I heard the Kotra Crabbage now. You have a Travama, no Mudi Atam because they're strong. I vote region there. A NDC stronghold. I did be adventure of Yadi here and 7 when NDC primaries. Not as I am with Muda. You bet 2 more. Yanya who is about the wine tabaco. Tamamunya she. Shan't region voter region. And I am so to me for the year was it Tibor and Yamama kind of higher stronghold and a high stronghold yedi. Stronghold yedi. One was a woody fufua stronghold. I done in a mother tofu for the soda. Stronghold a topest. Stronghold a trail by school fizzy. And a stronghold and yet one and Yamaya Troka. Yebetumo. MPP primaries in September, October. You be 2 more primaries. No, you move there. We are NDC. They are so to us. You be 2 more. I am Shepa Edbegumo Yamono. Muyambe Shies as I said to account. Because I'm a cover MPP primaries from a card. Then we are prepared to on sorry. I say smart. I'm say yes honorable. Oma can you win? I'm say Annie. No more see me. I said I'm so honorable. Electoral Commissioner officer no board wante. I'm so unya say. What them want? They what them what here? Then I hear. Happy birthday, Snibebre. On my phone, me producers' phones are also. Latter part of the show, may be our way come Nanaya JBU or Ghana Commercial Bank headquarters. And your birthday. Happy birthday, Nana. Sanso and Mr. Frimpong Manson Odan Suman Snit Bishop Yao Usu and Sa so we show happy birthday. I'm not to see Adom Pensemino Ebro Apollonia City Development across New City Smart Training Institute Unicorn Chemist and the GCB Bank, your bank for life or nominal swasina yede and Pensemino Ebro and there and pay I mean share a dosun. Yeah, I tell you Kachika Dosupa Uncle Jacobs have been through about 3 weeks ago. Me call Ugu apartment.